Welcome to another video by Clickmaster Academy. In this video, we are going to be looking at changing the default icon images to something custom. I have a folder on my desktop which we are going to be using as an example. Right-click the folder and select Properties at the bottom. Then in the box that opens, select Customize at the top. Notice where it says Folder Icons, you can press Change Icon. Click on that. Now here you can select from a list of icons already shown, or we can use our own. If you need to go back to default at any time, just press on Restore Defaults. First we need to find ourselves an icon. If you visit iconarchive.com, the link will be in the description, you can look through loads of icons. Let's visit the website and find a folder. I will type folder in the search bar here. This one here looks fine. Let's click on that. Under the green download icon button, click on All Download Formats. Next, where it says Windows, click on Download ICO. This is the icon image format. That will now be saved to my Downloads folder. You may want to store your icons in a better location to keep things more organized and easier to find. So let's go back to the box where we can select our icon for our folder. Notice the Browse button, just press on that. Now my icon would have been stored in the Downloads folder, so that is where I need to go. I will click on Downloads on the left and find the icon file I just downloaded. I can tell it's this one because under Type it says Icon. Click on that and press Open. Next press on OK and then Apply. And that is it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share if you found this video useful.